Imagine there is one trusted village elder in your village. And this village elder goes around the village collecting the contributions of each and every village member. Then he takes this money and lends some to the government while lends some to reputable companies, and some he takes to the bank and negotiate a higher interest rate. Then after all this money have accrued interest, he takes the interest and distribute equally among the villagers equally. And when any villager wants his or her money back, he is able to give it instantly. The trusted village elder is what we call fund manager. And all this collected fund is now what we majorly call MMF, or money market fund. That is just a practical and a brief, a relatable explanation of what a money market is. So let's look some of the ways in which one may lose his or her money in a money market fund. One of the ways one can lose money in a money market fund is if a government goes bankrupt, of which that is nearly impossible, but it can happen. If a government goes bankrupt, it goes down with the investors' money. That is just one way. Now, the second way is money that was lent to a reputable company. This company may have some issues here and there and go down, just closed. Therefore, it will not be able to pay the lenders their money. Therefore, that is second way one may lose his or her money in a money market fund. Then the third way one may lose his or her money in a money market fund is the money deposited in the bank. If a bank just collapses and it is closed, therefore it goes down with the money of investors. Therefore, there is no way you are able to retrieve your money once the bank has gone bankrupt, has been closed. That's the third way one can lose his or her money in a money market fund. So that is just a brief summary of what a money market is. Now, what is the purpose of a money market fund? The purpose of a money market fund is to park money for a short period of time while you are looking for a better thing to do with it, for a better thing that will generate a higher return. Or for example, you can keep their fees you intend to pay school fees first term next year. So as it sits there, it will accrue much more interest. Therefore, when that time of it being used arrives, it will be the initial deposits plus the interest that it will have accrued in that period. Therefore, that makes a money market fund a best place to keep your money, to park your money while you are looking for a much more better alternative for it. Therefore, guys, make sure no shilling should be idle. Every shilling should be awarded work to do. Make sure you put your money in the right place. With that being said, see you next time. Peace.